Infinix recently and quietly released the Infinix Hot 10 Play last week, an entry-level device that will cater to the entry-level segment of the smartphone market. It's presumably a sequel to the original Hot 10 and Hot 10 Lite released last year, and it sports a massive 6000 mAh battery, 3 or 4 GB of RAM, and 32 or 64 GB of internal storage. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. This video highlights all the key details, features and specs of the new Infinix Hot 10 Play, as well as reasons why you should buy this device or not buy it. And as usual, I have timestamps in the description box below as table of contents to various sections of this video. Guys, we are almost at 10K and I'm so excited. Subscribe if you're not and turn on the post notification bell icon so that you'll be notified the next time I post a new video like this one. The Infinix Hot 10 Play comes in a very familiar body. It looks like the standard Hot 10 but with a water drop notch display. It's a large device but the tall aspect ratio makes it operable single-handed. The phone is made of a plastic material and feels like a budget device it is. On the front is a 6.8 inches IPS LCD screen with a screen-to-body ratio of 90% and an HD resolution of 720 by 1640 pixels, amounting to a pixel per inch density of 263 ppi. On the top is nothing. On the right side are the volume rockers and the power button. On the left edge is the SIM card tray that can take 2 nano SIMs and a memory card. On the bottom edge are the headphone jack, microphone and micro USB port. On the back of the device is a 13 megapixel dual camera cutout assisted by a quad LED flash system. Also on the back is the fingerprint sensor or reader. Even with this dummy unit I have right here, because the phone is not yet available in stores, the most distinctive design component has to be the back panel of the phone. I love the patterns and line running across the device, and of course this makes it less of a fingerprint and scum magnet. The Infinix Hot 10 Play sports a MediaTek Helio G25 chip, which is notorious for enabling mainstream or conventional and entry-level phones like this one with the benefits of hyper-engine technology. That's for a smooth low power but reliable performance. The Helio G25 also enables dual 4G capabilities and has a mass CPU speed of 2.0 GHz. The G25 has the capacity to enable video recording up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. The Infinix Hot 10 Play comes with either 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, or with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, which is enough to carry out entry-level duties properly regardless of which variant you eventually choose. Infinix packed a whopping 6000 mAh battery into this guy, therefore making this device a powerhouse and suitable for people who need a secondary or backup device, or people who are just looking for a phone to convert to their mobile hotspot. The massive 6000 mAh battery is enough to take you for a very long time, and Infinix claims the phone will take you through 4 days. There is a 13 megapixel main shooter on the Infinix Hot 10 Play, supported by a secondary unspecified camera. On the front of the device is an 8 megapixel selfie shooter enclosed in the water drop notch on the display. The Infinix Hot 10 Play boots XOS 7 based on Android 10 Go, which is a very lightweight version of Android designed and made for mainstream or conventional and entry-level devices such as this. The Infinix Hot 10 Play comes in 4 colors: Aegean Blue, Morandi Green, Obsidian Black and Purple, and it looks like we have the Aegean Blue color here. The Hot 10 was released on the 21st of January 2021, that's just last week, and it is expected to hit the stores very soon. It is not yet available in stores. Right here I have the dummy unit, not the main unit. I got the dummy unit from a phone store here in my city. So this device should be in stores in no time. And I'm expecting this device to sell at around $130 or 60,000 Naira. At only $130 or thereabouts, the Infinix Hot 10 Play is a solid device. It's a capable phone packing features such as a massive 6000 mAh battery, which I think is the highlight of this phone. It also comes with a fingerprint sensor, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage if you choose that variant. This is an entry-level phone that can only take care of entry-level needs. So if you're a power user or a gamer, this phone might not be for you. But if you're someone looking for a secondary phone or something to use as a backup device or something to use as a power bank or hotspot, then this phone is for you. Subscribe if you're not, like and share this video if it was helpful. Don't forget to check any one of my other videos, and thank you for watching this one guys. I'll see you when I see you in the next one.